Alright, so if it's your first time to the channel, please remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when we upload new content. And if you are a long time subscriber, keep on sharing this content with your friend and family. Tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe. You don't know Richard Brown Films, John Wood Entertainment, Paradise Entertainment. Big up on yourself.
Glory be to the Most High, thanks life. Curious King. Nizza. Oh yeah, some general.
She had tried friends on
Went down to the
me.
ground.
Hey,
Yo, girl.
walk on with the friend zone.
Me a man
Down
to
with the friend zone.
want to commando.
Hey,
Guess I was too shy, but the friends were not fit for I and I. Me love you, me not lie. Just open up and give your friend a try. Guess I was too shy, but the friends were not fit for I and I. Me love you, me not lie. Just open up and give your friend a try.
no sir, can't me you a cheater. No sir, can't me you a cheater. No sir. Just when me think we a get closer, remember the things you said to me on the sofa. With ya, every funds me have a Scotia. Make plans, say me woulda buy you the Porsche. But you wouldn't want settle down, foot hot kettle, yo. Who you really think care for you? Remember I was there for you. Remember I'm still there for you.
Guess I was too shy, but the friends were not fit for I and I.
Yeah, Lexi. Yeah, yeah, we're talking this morning. Yes, may go that reason. Unfortunately, me have come in a little bit late, but as soon as I reach in, me just get some information, I have to deal with some thing. And I mean, a little bit later than what we planned. You know what I mean? So, I think you're going to be interested though, for real, what the reason and get to know you. So, just give me a little more extra time from 7 to work, I'm going to come by about 9 to 10. Alright? So, let me know if you want me to carry anything for you or anything, right? Alright, see you later. Alright.
Yo, what go on? Yo, what go on? I don't like a style of what they, you know. You just see me and talk to you and you just call her with so G. How you deal with?
Hold on, what you talk about?
The Pinky, yo, already you come down and see me and Pinky attack. You just call her with.
Think you're my friend, brother.
So you and Pinky are friend. But friend think for know them bound G, cause right now, you know. I look some Frank Pinky, you know, G. You see me? And you just come down and just come blow up everything.
That nah go work out, brother.
What you mean by it not gonna work out?
Brother, friends don't have you all away now, brother. Me I tell you that.
A joke thing you tell me.
Brother, a serious thing me I tell you,
You say
brother.
a joke thing you tell me.
You all away there in a friend zone, brother.
Me hear what you say, you know, but you go see what me I go do.
That sound like a badness you post. A whole heap of man,
Well.
brother. A whole heap of man said that and it no work. You don't know Pinky. But go and try your things still.
I tell you a thing, man.
Go
I
on-
show you
yeah, man,
something
go
say
and
it
do your
all
thing,
work.
man. Cause I think a joke me I make. And I hear, feel.
Last night.
Last night, yes, last night, this morning.
Yes,
You think about me at night time?
No, sorry. That was just a mistake.
No, it's good if you're thinking about me though.
This morning, I overheard you talking about some things.
It's a long story though, you know what I mean? So, this is why I just come on to my time because where me I talk about my man, you know, and this girl left from where I go to school, right? And so me we take her virginity, you know what I mean? But them stepfather and her other things. Me not know, but them other things were like a long before me, them other things. So for the first two born, you can see how you feel when stepfather, the girl's stepfather, right? Well, said, because that's what we have to do daily. You know what I mean? Because me and her then sometimes she go back home to her mother and the day while she come back to my and said, second pitney, I see him go along. So I said, maybe the family then favorite and really stepfather. Go along with still in a unprotected plan to marry and plan to about I think so. So look for them come through from my family, so I carry the whole family with me, you know what I mean? And same time now. When we start the whole process, because everybody has to have the same DNA if we can't move with the family, you know what I mean? So, I just realize it. Family the first, 3 picking me realize it enough, and 5 finish having. So now, after that, we done the way it kind of mash up my nerves, I kind of stay away from people just left from the so get a room and a grill and just live from me, you know what I mean? And just try to build up myself back and to be the people. But this girl and camera got quite feel like stupid to them.
I always hear them story, you know, and it's like, but it happened to my cousin already. But I never know say other people out there go through this. I mean, in all of him, brother and sister them gone. He's the only one who's out there right now.
Where have you gone? What's happened?
Because when the nativity come down and all of them was the right father.
Oh,
He was they were fighting. And he was the only one that when he come to the nativity, he was a jacket.
But don't have that, enough of that.
Yeah man.
Because that kind of set me in one place now where I wonder if love really exists. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Do you think the love really exists?
To be honest, love still exists. I believe love exists.
So are you in love?
Why? To be honest, right now, I am not in love. Because the experience me have never pretty and not easy. I don't know, like, for me as a woman, I go through a lot of hurt and abuse and disrespect and all of them something. So I'm never lucky with finding a love. But I know deep down that love is there. I remember, and I don't really tell people this because it's very embarrassing. But I remember I had a boyfriend, my man. I tell us I love him. Serious love. Whenever I see him, it's like my face on fire. I mean, when I say face on fire, I know I feel like a drug thing. I just want me feel electric waves through my body because I love. And believe you me, when you love somebody, you feel different. You understand? And I remember one morning, we got up and me I press some clothes and tell me say at church you go. You understand? And I press the suit, I press it like me press it happily because me know I'm a man and if you say I go to church, me love that. You understand?
And you no go church?
And me no go church. But if you say him go church, I love that. It better him go church than go bar go play than me know, you know? So me press it willingly, properly. Me press it with me loving, me press it with everything. And me tell you say the man, me never know say me a press clothes if he go marry other woman. You know that feel?
So how you find out?
And one of my friend go to the wedding and see him and she come back and tell me. I tell you.
So he come back?
He never come back and when him overseas with the woman him call me. Even when that go on, I remember me not go really make nothing start my happiness. Because I one thing with me, I rough it out and I come back and I find somebody else. You know? Talk to them, you know? If try to save everything can pretty off and I forgot that out of my mind. I just simply go up and the road go do a little thing, you know. And so I come back, I not see him. There's a letter I see on the table. There's a letter I not even want to read it because I don't want to break down right now.
Maybe just make us their ears at the same time.
Yeah, man. Them always say when 2 persons share the same experience, it's good for the connection and it's good for a strong bond. It's a good thing, say me have a good best friend side me. It make me get, listen to me man, I tell you, it come like I just God sending for me. Whenever me hungry, whenever me feel down, I him say man, when even when that the man they deal with me, all him deal with me, no man, and him there beside me, and him come and me cry on him shoulder, and him never try fi, push
Yeah,
it.
he's a good friend.
Yeah, a good friend.
But just send us here, so because when I move in, I feel a vibration, but you may go through a lot of things in my brain. That's why I think say we never really start talk from earlier. But in time I have something in my mind, but that's not smile. Same with
Share
a
call again.
no answer. So can't manage them something I know. So but I like something about your hand though. There's a crying tonight,
Really now?
Yeah, I feel the
Okay,
connection.
not crying.
Like it means something though. Like, but then feel like I will call for one thing, so I will call me and go the rest. You know what I mean? So
You're funny.
yeah, because we have to talk though. Because anything I do now, I really like to get to know you first. You like to know your family. Even not to see them in person, but if we talk about them one in real personality, because the thing, when I think I'm doing all the while is actually jumping at something too fast.
And I think that's the problem nowadays. I think people forget to know people. Worse if you're looking for something serious. I believe in that.
Okay, well, some sleep. I've got to work a morning. But maybe talk tomorrow. Maybe we have dinner tomorrow.
Alright, no
lunch
problem.
or something.
Alright. Have a great night.
Alright.
Thank you. Wagwan.
Me there,
How you look so?
Oh.
You look like you had a rub down, skin smooth so. You know, to find what day me I pray though.
No man, me and your friend, man, I pray.
I mean think I find what day every time when I rub me down a pink, a big goose bumper take me up, I'm tell you pink, what a long time I like her.
We are friend, man. We are friend. Long time we are friend now, man.
Yeah, pink, where you am also. And anything that we ask me for, me give it.
You're supposed to, we are friend.
Pink, I like when you say that, that means you can give me some of something,
There's something here, and a friend something.
So that you say? So my money a friend money. Yo, it's the money when me give you, or you borrow from me, you can't keep back to.
Yo, so what that mean?
What that mean? Every time you see me here, touch me up, and me think that things are going to happen or things are going. And that make me feel all the while, And that make me feel all the while, like every time, and me think that they don't want. Anytime you do something, they don't want a girl to stop and come around me and be a black traffic when I do that. Alright, Pinky. Delete my number.
Come
Me love you, me not lie. Just open up and give your friend a try. Guess I was too shy, but the friends wanna fit the I and I. Me love you, me not lie. Just
I'm not gonna keep you waiting. Let me grab my purse, put this back in my closet.
Ready? Let's go.
I'm so sorry.
The food never so hot. I think it could be better than now they cook.
I don't know, but it was so like.
But the reggae thing doesn't go on good.
So why are you spending so far? You're such a charmer. That's what I like about you. You're very charming. I'm gonna gravitate to that. So you sleeping tonight?
Yeah, I think that will be good.
You sure? But no sex.
No sex?
No. No.
Oh, wait
So
still.
you can go take a shower, and after you get a shower, come in the bed comfortably, you drink properly and nice and healthy.
Alright, take it slow. You're jamming the show?
Right after you eat. Remember to say no sex, alright? Clean towels are in the bathroom, don't have to worry, I run this thing.
Alright. This is mad, me, you know. Okay, pretty, and then you know how to work. One thing I have to want to do, you know.
What's that?
If you love kids, you go work, cause I'm a breeder.
Really?
Yeah. I know you may have all over the place, but I'm not a wild man. You know what I mean? But let me tell you from a long time, say, I always have some pretty woman, but when they're not straight, it always does not work out, because I'm really smart in my world, you know what I mean? But there's something about you though, you know what I mean? When I like, I always see you, I admire you. When you do this, then the next room down.
And you always be mean to me. Why though?
Like
And look at you now.
what I'm saying though, I always go through the problem with pretty woman, and because you're pretty, me do thing wrong though, 'cause I was like judging you. I feel say you're somebody's different, you know what I mean? But I was wrong though, I was judging you, but now I get to know you, where I say you're a genuine girl, you know what I mean?
And you are as well.
Oh, you know, nobody have a key?
Nobody knows the key. Where is that? Oh.
Sorry.
No, Akim. Akim. What's up?
Left my wallet and, you know, because they gave me
Yeah, I know. What's up over there?
I just came to get some of my wallet, so I just came to pick up the wallet and,
Akim, come on. We both know you not just left your wallet. Look where you walk out. Like something happened. What happened?
Come on, Lexi, we are friends. No, we just come over and do like things. This is just not really surprise, like, I mean, what I expect.
Listen. I know you're probably angry with me right now, but trust me on this one. This is the last time. Like, if this don't work out for me, may I turn a nun. Like, I'm gonna be flooded. No joke, I'm serious. Just trust me on this one. The rest are going good. I mean, everything is going perfect. This is my last time.
I believe you. And as myself, I'm always there. I'm always a friend. So, I'm going to support you. But as I said, I'm coming for the wallet. I'm surprised because just the other day,
Listen, I know. I know you ever always repeat, but just trust me on this one, Aki. Like, I'm serious. Like, I put my all in this, and this is like the last time. But guess what? I'm gonna talk about this tomorrow, because in there, I don't want him to feel that way. Like, no, I'm not too suspicious. So tomorrow, we're gonna talk about this. Alright? Thanks for always being here with me. You know you're a great friend.
Right.
And I could have never asked for a better friend. Alright? Talk about this tomorrow. Good night.
Good night. gym there. I see you from Alexi place. I don't know if you know about me and Alexi close, you understand?
Yeah, I know your man, because you tell me about you, know, is it?
Yeah, man, we're friends for about 13, 14 years now. And soon like when I get close, plus I make sure say you're not one of them man that will come through for use and hurt her, you know? Because as I tell you, I'm not her friend for a long time. I know so she's been through a whole lot. I'm always concerned about her feelings. I want the best for her, you see me?
Yeah, man. In terms of you're not her best friend, you tell me that. So you're not her best friend for a long time, you know what I mean? And me and her get close. And we go get closer, you know what I mean? So, as our best friend, we are sure our level body say, yo, if we walk go down the aisle and she say, I do, and get some kids and things, you can be godfather and you can be best man at wedding. So, all plans, because I don't plan to change our world, you know. Because she's a nice girl, I just plan to enhance it and make it nicer. You know, because she got enough things to show. She showed me the 100. You know what I mean? And you did it for her, and that was a good look as a friend. You did it for your friend. So, at no point in time, I'm not this, you know. You can come over and watch a movie, we drink 2 beers, said we, because we are thugs. You know what I mean? So, when I did them, because I noticed when I see her come with no woman, you can't carry a woman come too.
I'm really interested to make a next friend because as I tell you, Lexi I'm my friend for 13, 14 years, so I don't worry about me and a woman and relationship. But you know what I say, no worry about that, man. I just want to make sure say you have our best interest at heart. You understand me? Yeah, man. So I don't want you worry about if me I carry no woman come over there, yes or no. I know that me I talk about. Nobody me start our conversation. Don't want to hurt my friend's feelings, you understand?
I see you push coming out so they still. I see you run back out. You know what I mean? But even the key where you have, you think after a while I'll take it back because you can't come in at the house. So you're in best friend here, but you have to have boundary.
I hear you, man. That type thing, you know. Get room, you know, and all. You're concerned about all the key, you know. But it's alright. Everything good.
Yeah, man.
Or yourself, man. Everything good. Bless up yourself.
Funny done.
Get a beer for you. Set your foot, man. Sure. Where you going now?
Cause what happen now, make you all buy beer, give me.
So what? Stop going someone.
What you want?
Stop going someone. You know say differently though. Alexi again, you know. You know say I go over there and like she get one new man. I not even know which part this man I come from. Come in and like send me out to go share up ice cream with this man and say me. She say me, me cut up, you know. She not even know me feel when we go over there. And me keep it cool. I'm not want to turn or nothing. So that's why I'm going to link you because I want to line up, see him link, see if I can get this one. Then send him go foreign, see him. You see me? You know some rate like I don't really like her doing something there, but yo, 13 years man, I need more time in my life, man. You can't sort out that one for me.
No man, cause me can't take fear, stress and problem. Me done settle link already for you, cause furthermore, while link then gone over there, now come till me.
It's alright. Me sort out it. I gotta deal with it for myself. Me sort out it.
Cause nobody gonna do no foolishness, you know.
It's alright. Cool, everything cool. Don't worry yourself. You say your white link get mashed up or whatever and you can't push it. We work out something. But thanks to you, man. How you link?
Alright, cause
Yeah. Akin. Same person will get a package for drop off, man. Yeah, I'm ready for you to make it drop off right now. Yeah, man, right now, no. I remember, you know, tell him say Alexi say for drop it off. Yeah. Alright, respect.
Kingman!
Yo,
No, me get a package for Lexi.
who send package to give me?
After Lexi, but then she said she have to come here.
She might tell him about that still about me and forward.
Alright.
Can't eat, can't sleep, can't breathe.
Yeah. Wait, you get no?
Yeah, man, if you get on 1,000 as delivery fee.
No, you want
I work, you know.
No, sorry.
Alright. You know when she come back?
No.
Alright.
Lexi, you look at that message. Yo, I thought you were going to out of this. I'm trying to fight like that. If I keep me, I'll kick him in like him out, you know, I'll do something.
Can't allow that youth to kill you, you know. Because the man is a madman, no man. With sensible somebody in the right mind. I go have with tie up, brother, over a woman. This doesn't make no sense.
Yo, all I know now is something I survive, you know. We can't get it. We're going to argue with you. I know like you're there on the woman. You want the woman. You tell the woman say you want thing. Now when I'm a man there the woman now you are jealous and all. You look how long you're the woman a friend. See you can't trust people, you know. But what I say? What you are going. Anything in the movement, if you chip in foot, you tap on the head or that's all. If you chip in foot, you tap on the head, that's all.
You must want some water or something.
Yeah, we'll eat some food, you know. Yeah, we'll eat some food.
So you eat Rasta? I'll do it. I'm not going to go to the way you eat. I'm not going
The same thing when I can't say that, man. Same thing.
What for you? Same thing?
Yeah, man, same thing. Yo, Daddy, when you let you go?
You can't take your money now. You can't take her.
Don't worry about that, man. When I feel it now, when I feel the pressure them run us up, I'll go and build some more, man. You're not over it.
You see, tell man, I'm a real idiot, dog.
You want to go full of man. Because she go on next man. Because she can't live alone. She has go on man. So, you tie you up there, she get me. So she get the next man go there. If we're not any, we have to find a way of chip him and tap on him.
Akeem! Where are you?
What do you mean?
What just happened, Akeem?
You're really an overreact, right?
I am not overreacting. Akeem, you have never hugged me like that before. You never hugged me upside. Why you do that? What?
I'm trying to comfort you, Lexi,
Comfort
because you're
me.
not happy.
I'm okay. And you're my best friend. You comfort me in different ways. Not hugging me up and trying to kiss me.
Because me always hear say you want a boyfriend and you know because me always there for you.
What kind of behavior is? What if Rasta did come and see you? What if him did come see you and do this? Or you can't do them someday?
Rasta? Lexi?
Yes!
Me hate for have to break it to you again, but me see Rasta pack up him things and man gone. I make me say, you see it now, I just like the other rest of man them I leave you.
No. Probably him just gone to the supermarket and get something. Him not go just get up and leave like that.
I talk to him not come back.
Listen.
No, you hear me say? I talk to him not come back, him done with you. Him no want you.
Akeem, just shut up. Shut up. Be like, yeah, get me really angry right now. You know if he want me, he does. And he's serious about me. So don't say that.
Alright, call him phone. Call him phone right now.
Always try to come with a BS. So let me just put this once and for all. Alright. I'm gonna call you and make you see.
Just want to keep on, right?
Relax, he's gonna answer. Don't say that.
I'm tired to see you go through this, you know.
Shut up. Can you make me lose it right now?
How many times the phone ringing when you call?
Probably, as me say, him probably gone to supermarket. Just give it some time.
I'm sorry, but the person you have called...
You want to try again? You want to try again?
Alright, I'm gonna try one more time. Because probably him phone turn off. He not really keep on him phone. So just listen. Just listen. Alright?
Like I'm always there.
Shut up, Akeem. Shut up. Shut up.
Phone.
Shut up.
Answer. Don't do this to yourself, Lexi. Lexi, don't do this to yourself. Look here, I'm always there for you. Just
listen.
I'm sorry, but the person you have called is unavailable. Please leave a message after the
Probably him phone lost or something. Don't try to manipulate me. Probably something go wrong right now. Just stop.
Lexi, tap nice. For 15 years, I have been calm. Listen, tap nice. I deserve a chance. I'm supposed to step on a bed right, you know. Everywhere you want to go, I carry you. Ain't never buy no gas. Everything on me is spending money. The whole of man them come here, at my time now. After my time
First of all, man, you speak to me.
No, listen to me, Lexi. Listen to me. Everything I sort out for you. Everything. Lexi, you would even know, you know. You see things that me do for you, nobody in this world out there never do that for you. Some things that I not even can talk about.
What?
You me do it for.
Really?
So, you know, you not even know, you know. The things that I do for you, save you, when nobody else would not do them things for you. And I can't even breathe a word of them things. Me and my friend zone too long. I'm tired of it. I need to come out of my friend zone. And if I can't come out of the friendship of dust, done.
Well, so be the case then, Akeem. Because if you want to break this, so we have this friendship that we have because you want to get into me, well, fine. But all I see you as is a friend, nothing more. Get that? Yes, Grandma. And I have me there. I will look at everything alright.
I know. Go, but not talk to her then. You know, right?
Come on, too much problem.
Yo, what happened here, sir?
Yo, call the police, help me.
You call the police, them, man, do.
Help me. Akeem have a tire around here.
Let's call the police, let's do that.
We can help Papa.
Let's call the police, man. Could that be you, let's call the police.
you there last night?
Me ain't there, no.
You come see your cousin. Sit down and I sit here. Ah, me I talk to him and he not say nothing, you know. And it's not a man like that. Because when he yell me, he yell me. And by me look, I just turn back. Because I don't like the way I look. So I walk on with between you and him. Because almost, you know him?
Babes, I don't know him, you know. What I want to say, no, I don't want to say it.
You must say me your man, you know. You're supposed to can tell me anything. I'm supposed to can tell you anything. I'm right, you say you're safe.
To tell you the truth, you know, so I'm going to grandma yard. And I keep them two Alexi man them. You know, so like saying obsessed with Lexi, bad.
That your cousin really are going with? No, me I tell you the truth, you know. I love you, you know, but I can't turn you tonight. So, you are big. You can check your morning.
So, be you left me one year.
Listen, I think you're more safer than me because you're in blood. You're not doing nothing. So, you are. You're more safer. Trust me, I tell you the truth. Tomorrow morning, yeah?
Who is it?
I'm here, sis.
Come on, the door open. Just push it.
Why, sis? What?
Not that him.
You don't tell me I need to go home and say I want to check you first. Well, so look at story. What if somebody where you love tell you want something you know dangerous, where it's to somebody where you know life in a danger and you can save their life, but you know want to betray this somebody where you love? What do you think is the best idea, sis? Me don't really, me want to, you know, because I don't want to betray nobody love.
Well, not tell no lie no. Although I love the person will tell me the story, I'm not tell no lie. I would rather go to the authority and make them know about it just to save two person's life. How I go on? That sounds like something I go on. What really happened?
No. That's something I try to figure out. I try to figure out how to write for a story. But anyway, sis, I go home. So, look at my here.
Alright.
And thanks for the advice, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yo, cuz.
Cuz, Diane?
Yeah, me I hear her, cuz. Me just go down to grandma, you know. And me see how the two man name type, you know. Me cuz what you doing right, you know. Me don't like that, you know, cuz.
Hold on. Yo, hold on. Let's play it. Come on, you're talking, man. Make people like you, say. Alright? I'm saying, man. Let's play it.
Cuz, Lexi no worthy, cuz. Me I tell her, cuz Lexi no worthy. Me don't like what you do. What you doing right, cuz.
Yo. I'm big up start out. Which way them? I come up there right now, you know. I come up there right now, man.
Cuz me no there, you know. Me no there.
Yo, stop the foolishness, man. That right now you have blood, you know, type of food. Just relax yourself, man. I have no see you down there. I come in here right now. Stop going like that. You know, I just say nothing to my body, you know. Make sure I say how you're holding up, man. And stop going like that, blood, you know, type of food. And I come up there right now. I think you're not going to say, man. Gosh, man. Pinky. I wish about today. Sound like you out the door somewhere. Make me hear pin you all of them, man.
You said me that day I country you gone. I'm not the fuck away there.
Be over your yard.
So when I do me I will tell you something that day.
Yeah, me answer. Make sure you say nothing to nobody, you know. Cause me and your cousin. But you don't know me. Just make sure you say you hold it down. You hear? You hear me say?
No, I'm not there. I know you're supposed to be on me yard.
Me say, if you make sure.
Hello?
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 Yeah, listen to me. For the last time, I think you're wondering if you're confused. But what I'm saying is real. Your friend, a kid, your boyfriend, in one place by your grandmother house down on the bottom floor, tied up, and no ask who I am. This my number is private, so just do what you got to do.
Wait, first of all, who is this? Hello? Hello?
Babes, I'm so glad to see you. See if you find one key or something can pull it.
Look in that son. Look in there, there's no hammer or nothing. Or no upside. There's no upside can cut off, you know. Hammer, anything.
He might come, hide. He might come, hide.
I don't know how long I'm gonna keep on around, but...
Yeah man, cause I think I time to let go now. So what the fuck is that? Come to get expired.
But you look like you thought something that you thought already too.
Yeah, because
man, Rasta man, you take a man. Look, you don't get none feet, you know.
But check that man the food, cause you know.
Man, I need the crackers down, man.
Check in food, man.
Choke him.
Yo, search in pocket and down, get the key. Get the key.
Look at the nails.
Oh, you know somebody there though?
I don't know, somebody just called me and just tell me. My phone instantly. So if you make the man just climb up, so not so funny. Yeah, feel free.
I'm gonna leave you.
Make a time. Come, make a time.
Okay.
Teaching.
Oh, you
Put him clean up, sir. Yeah, time up. Come, babes, time up.
Come on, baby.
Yeah. Lexi, what What is? Come lose this, Lexi.
You really think me feel lose it? Akeem, I love you as my best friend, but you cross the line, Akeem. You tie up. You can't say all my boyfriends.
And I tie up a kidnap.
Yeah, true, kidnap.
I can't. Really? Lexi. Every single thing we may ever do, I do it for you. I can't believe I can't see this.
What sort of nonsense is this, Akeem? I mean, we're friends. We're just friends, Akeem. We've been friends over 15 years. 15. You were there when I cried. You were there when I was hurt.
Even your first boyfriend.
What are you talking about?
You don't never believe. It's me you get one white girl give him and him leave you. Never have no loyalty, Lexi. And me are the only constant in the equation. And you don't think me deserve where you get to all of them on here will come and leave you even though not always there for you.
So you mean to tell me say you?
That isn't even the half of it.
All these years. And we couldn't even sleep properly, Akeem. And me think that him betray me was you behind all of this.
Him did betray you.
Akeem, everybody came and hurt me, and out of all person, you, Akeem, you. I can't believe the last person who I had my trust in. You're just the same with them, Akeem. There's no difference in you. Look at you, Akeem. You kidnapped 2 men.
But there's a difference.
And you think that's normal? You think that's normal? You're sick.
You're probably right. Probably I am sick.
You are. You are indeed a sick human being.
After everything that I have done for you, none of these men that have been here and that have left can't even measure up to the things that
Akeem, I've never seen you as an intimate person. I've seen you as a best friend.
Me and the next person was kidnapped, we just free ourselves, and the person who kidnapped us is here now. We have him chained up and we don't want to go jungle justice. So somebody needs to come and arrest this person right now. We're at Red Ground. Miss Sylvie, you're the old lady. Yeah, we wanna back our house. Just make the siren sound and we come out of the gate. I'm gonna take up right now. No. We haven't chained up. Alright? Yeah, we're ready. Your siren will come there. Come on.
You're gonna watch me. You're gonna watch me walk away. And you'll rot in hell.
So babes, how does your place look so now? You always clean and so what wrong now?
Babes, I would even understand, you know. Right now, I'm stressed out. Akeem get locked up. Can't believe.
Wait there, now tell me say I kill 2 man them. Because if he kill 2 man them with true, you must go to prison too. Because you could have saved them life.
No, B. I'm not kill them. I just see kidnapping and find out about. So I'm just Sorry, saying really that sharing life for one girl.
Well, enough of that, baby. Because he might live good life right, at 3 meals a day. But enough of that. Where you cook?
You not cook nothing. Tell us I'm stressed out.
Guess I was too shy, but the friends were not fit for I and I. Me love you, me not lie. Just open up and give your friend a try. Guess I was too shy, but the friends were not fit for I and I. Me love you, me not lie. Just open up and give your friend a try.
No, sir. Can't mean you a cheater. No, sir. Can't mean you a cheater. No, sir. Just when me think we a get closer, remember the things you said to me on the sofa. Withdraw every funds me have a Scotia. Make plans say me woulda buy you the Porsche. But you wouldn't want settle down, foot hot kettle, yo. Who you really think care for you? Remember I was there for you. Remember I'm still there for you.
Guess I was too shy, but the friends were not fit for I and I. Me love you, me not lie. Just open up and give your friend a try. Guess I was too shy, but the friends were not fit for I and I.
Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life. Curious King.
Nizza.
What else am general?
She a try friends on
Went down to the
me.
ground.
Hey.
Yo, girl.
Walk on for the friend zone.
Me a man too.
Down with the friend zone.
Want to, woman do.
Hey.
Guess I was too shy, but the friends were not fit for I and I. Me love you, me not lie. Just open up and give your friend a try. Guess I was too shy, but the friends were not fit for I and I. Me love you, me not lie. Just open up and give your friend a try.
No, sir. Can't mean you a cheater. No, sir. Can't mean you a cheater. No, sir. Just when me think we a get closer, remember the things you said to me on the sofa. Withdraw every funds me have a Scotia. Make plans say me woulda buy you the Porsche. But you wouldn't want settle down, foot hot kettle, yo. Who you really think care for you? Remember I was there for you. Remember I'm still there for you.
Guess I was too shy, but the friends were not fit for I and I. Me love you, me not lie. Just open up and give your friend a try. Guess I was too shy, but the friends were not fit for I and I. Me love you, me not lie. Just open up and give your friend a try.
Just give me a try. Won't you give me a try? Why? Yes, me have the best intentions. You plus me, that are the best invention. But what? Anytime things mention, shoot my shot, you just a pass like exam. Right now you a mash up my medicine. It woulda nice for you ease my tension. Just call me pan the extension. Yes, ma'am, you have my full attention. Listen.
Guess I was too shy, but the friends were not fit for I and I. Me love you, me not lie. Just open up and give your friend a try. Guess I was too shy, but the friends were not fit for I and I. Me love you, me not lie. Just open up and give your friend a try. How you deal with me so, girl? How you deal with me so, girl? I will get anything for you, anything you want in this world. See, anything you want, you can call on me. I was your best friend. Anything you want, you can count on me. I was your best friend, boy. Now I come home, still in the friend zone. It have to end right here, it have to end. Guess I was too shy. Friends zone of it I and I. Just give me a try.
All I see you as is a friend.
Me in a friend zone too long. I'm tired of it. Me need to come out of a friend zone. And if I can't come out of friendship after dust, done.
Yeah, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. Yeah, the friend zone. Yeah, thanks for watching, you know what I mean? And please do remember to subscribe. Big up all of the sponsor them, you know what I mean? We always keep the fire blazing. Big up all of the producer them, you know what I mean? Big up all of the fans them, big up all of the new subscriber, the old subscriber foundation them, big up everybody, you know what I mean? We help push the thing forward because it's very necessary in this island of mine where so much distraction on a daily basis, you know what I mean? And so much problem that we face. So we do entertainment to kind of take the mind off of the stress and things that's going on. So I hope you enjoy it and watch the next part, you know what I mean? So the next part is going to be more revealing because the first part is just giving you a taste of it. Then you're going to get the new part is going to be a whole different turn up, you know what I mean? So it's a good vibration, friend zone. Lots of people in the friend zone for years, for real in real life, you know what I mean? And I know them still night them now come out, you know what I mean? So saying this to say that we have a song now where we're going to put out, we're not get to do the video, unfortunately, no, so we can get a, you'll hear it tonight, I play it. Yeah man, so enough people can relate to it. Yeah, so we now get to do the video till the end. At the end of it, you'll get the video. You know what I mean? So keep watching and comments, you know what I mean? And we are trying to push the narrative of Jamaica being part of contribution to development more than be just a consumer. We have to get involved. Too long have we been pushed aside. Black people in Jamaica are the last with them, and I put we down there, but I try to live with from down there. You know what I mean? We have to get involved and make fear is fear. Be a part of Jamaica. Not be the part where we all only do the work. Make be part of it who can change things for the better, make we have a better country. Cause too long as people been tricking us, you know what I mean? So too much of trickery. But we not come for too much preaching and teaching. But remember, burn it down to the ground at all time. When you hear me attack, you know, so I just speak out the truth, because truth is what really set me free. But another place and another time, we can talk about that bridging and hygiene and sistering and young one stay in school. And if you not go to school and now, go up on an online class and try to learn as much as you can learn. Get an education. And when you older, re-educate yourself, you know what I mean? Try to uplift yourself, you know what I mean? That nobody tell you that you're not worth it. You're worth it. You're beautiful. Beautiful people in a beautiful world, burn it down. Jamaica is at a place where we're getting so much distraction. So only the negative vibration is getting more reward than who's putting the real work. You know what I mean? So we, the real people, have to continuously do the work without no day off, no sleep, because it's very hard to do good in a one place where they want everybody to do bad. You know what I mean? So it's a fight on an everyday basis, just trying to do good. Yeah man, so big up the camera, Virgin Lawrence. Even I'm starting the movie, you go see him, burn it down to the ground. So leave some comments man, talk about the movie and talk about your similar situation where you go through in this friend zone business. And all the girl them talk about how much people put in a friend zone too. One way you do, you know what I mean? One who a baller now, one who wants some man can't get none. Too much mix up, burn it down to the ground. Yeah. Burn it down to the ground, live and living color. Come in our place, come to watch out. You have toaster, you have everything. Can make your tea, this and that. You have your utensils, them, a knife, fork and everything. You have a stove, you have the fridge, them. Everything at work, said we. You have your microwave, hot of food. You have a cup and plate, you open up everything here. You have everything that's up. Come in here, that's now. You have your good bathroom. Turn on some light, because so I go on. You have a good bathroom. Soap there, everything there already. Same way. You have AC. You have fan. You have room to put the things them in. You can lock up your belongings them. If it's a man that travel heavy and you have two stacks, you can lock up your money in there so. You know what I mean? Nobody can take you out. So a bag of things. There you have big enough bed. That bed you can hold. If it's a man that roll like a one king See right here, the king size bed this year. You know what I mean? You roll, you know, your girlfriend or your wife or roll, you want to spend some time like Negril because we are Jamaicans. Or if you're worldwide and you want to spend some time, you can come here so you can spend some time. It's easy and affordable. You know what I mean? You go to the number, you can contact. You know what I mean? Good community, same way. You know what I mean? They have veranda space, you can get a bit of fresh air. A grill and it upstairs so it's safe. You don't have to worry about. And that's why the next thing have is safety. But you can't do Jamaica and not go nowhere. So you want to know Negril, this is the place you can come book your room, and then after you book your room and you have belongings them, you put on your clothes. You have a vehicle down here you carry anywhere you want to go. Same way, if you don't carry one vehicle. And you're just 7 miles away. Not 7 miles, 7 minutes away for the 7 mile. Just 7 minutes away, walking to the beach, to the 7 Mile beach. And on the west end now is a famous Rick's Cafe if you want to go see the sunset. You know what I mean? You can go there to you have drive here so we can carry to there. So you can't do Jamaica, though if you're poor or anywhere there in the world, but I say Jamaicans too. Remember say we don't feel live a look at you. You know what I mean? So come out, come get to know Negril. No matter where you come from in our parish, just book your stay and just reach in. You know what I mean? The bus park is right over this. So all if you don't have a car, you book your bus ticket and come down, just jump on a taxi or come on a bus and just come there so get a bag and everything. You drop yourself, you have a room for stay. You have everything that you have AC, you have water, you have everything you can, you carry your food come. You got some mark buy your food if you don't have 1 2 days, buy things where you want, but the things them then you go where you want to go, if you want to buy. The thing we were just there 5 minutes away from the town. You know what I mean? Walking distance. So you know, so if you jump on, you know, one taxi faster or drive there to can assist in them here. So remember, check it out. You know what I mean? You go see the rest of the information that you need below or somewhere around this message. You know what I mean? So we'll carry up top, make you see. We'll carry to our next room, quick and fast. Alright, look over here so now. This is the next room now. It's 2 bedroom. There is 2 bed in 1 room. You know what I mean? 2 bed in 1 room. It carry the same things them like this have. But that only have 2 bed. You know what I mean? If one of them have TV, you know what I mean, and things so and them have Wi-Fi. So you know, so you can hook up the internet and watch the things them say there. So no fun to travel with the next week account, it did it too, and YouTube did it too. So you can't lose. So it's a good getaway. You know what I mean? The people are stressing out. Get away. And go, you know, no matter where you come from. You could have come from Kingston or Mobile. Get away to somewhere in Negril, enjoy yourself. You know what I mean? Good community, no crime and violence. You know what I mean? So come in, come see what I want.
Simply mean if you're hearing my voice, that means you have reached to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. And also to the official members of the channel. I'm talking about the persons who have a monthly subscription with us. Thank you very much. You still record, right? How do you see on the record button? Don't stop. Alright, so it simply means that I want to say thanks to the persons who are official paid members of the channel. The persons who have signed up for that membership and are paying that monthly subscription. Thank you very much. We appreciate every single person who take the effort, you know, to make that little contribution there. It helps in some way or another just to mobilize the movement and help it to grow. Alright, I want to say thank you to Elaine. She is one of our, how should I put this? She is one of those type of person who believe in what we're doing, and she is showing her support behind the scenes. Also, thank you to Jules over in Canada for supporting the movement. Also, Antoinette, big up yourself. Long time supporter of what we do. Damien, one of our original members from way back when we had a small subscriber count. Also want to say thank you to those people who believe in what we're doing and are paid. Should we say paid? We should say producers, those persons who are producing movies with us. Thank you guys. We really do appreciate the fact that you believe in what we're doing and you see our vision. Big up to Reggae Vibes, big up to Bully Team. You don't know, we appreciate you guys. Continue to support what we do as we continue to grow. With the 100,000, so we apply for the plaque already. So I mean, probably by 2 or 3 weeks time, we're supposed to have a plaque we can showcase to you guys, because you don't know, it's a milestone. 1 million is the mark and we are at 100,000, so big up on yourself.